Amphenol's high-speed board-to-board connectors provide high contact force reliability, ensuring strong connectivity and strong signal integrity. The connectors feature polarization keys at pin edges and robust mating. Design flexibility enables 13 types of stack heights, all of which can meet the PCI Express Gen 3 and Gen 4 electrical requirements. Also, their optimized high-speed performance at all stacking heights can meet SAS, SAS3, and 12 gigatransfers per second electrical requirements. Gold plating of 8, 15, and 30 microinches prevents corrosion and improves contact resistance, and caps and mylar options are available. They also have 20 to 200 position options available for high-density applications. To learn more, visit this product page on Digi-Key.com.